These days, the only thing that actually makes me feel super happy is when I cook something and it turns out really well. So this is a recipe that I used to make 20 years ago before I started writing cookbooks. It's from Mother Jaffrey's World Vegetarian. And why did I stop cooking from it? Well, because I got busy testing all these recipes. It's a Sichuan vegetable soup and bean curd. Pretty easy. I ended up subbing a few ingredients. I didn't have the Chinese Shaoxing wine, which is right in here, or dry sherry, so I subbed some kame rice cooking wine. And then instead of the, where is this? Red wine vinegar, I've been subbing apple cider vinegar in everything. And then I also had a spicy, almost like a black, where is it? Black bean sauce that a friend had given me, but I subbed that in. It wasn't the exact same thing, but everything else was pretty much the same. And I just want to show you what it looks like because I'm pretty proud of it. I had a really miserable sort of day, as many of us have had just over the last couple days, and this is what it turned out to be. I pulled out a little bowl of it for my older daughter who hates mushrooms, and then I had a bunch of shiitake mushrooms that I bought in bulk. Everybody was buying toilet paper. I was buying onions and mushrooms. Go figure. And that is what it turned out to look like. It's pretty good. I am going to just say I am pretty proud of myself. I hope that all of you are cooking up a storm and taking care of your families and just holding up these days. I can't really say too much more than that, but I'm wishing you all well. Hey Anita, thanks for tuning in. This is a Sichuan soup. Hey Tom, this is a Chinese soup that I made from a Mother Jaffrey recipe, and it looks like it came out pretty well, so I'm pretty impressed. Made it in my Le Creuset. I have the Marseille color if you care about that. I love this Dutch oven, and I love the color, and I had a bunch of pea pods. And Tom, as I was saying earlier, everybody was out buying toilet paper last week. I was out buying mushrooms, onions, oh, and pea pods. We've got a ton of pea pods in the house, so we're not gonna go hungry. All right, so I'll put some links up with this post on how to make this recipe. Super easy. It's really just a saute of a little bit of oil, garlic, ginger, and then I just added veggies from there. And in a separate bowl, you take your water, your vegetable broth, and put in a little bit of cornstarch, some vinegar, and some soy sauce. But I'll have all that stuff for you. And I kind of wung it, but I'm kind of looking forward to it. And again, I don't always make Indian, so it's fun when I make something else and it turns out well. And yes, Tom, I make samosas. Maybe I'll make a batch up this week. I'll show you how I make them. I don't actually make them into the little triangles all the time. I make them into almost like little cigars. I roll them up and they're delicious. Okay, sounds good. You got a plan. I have to actually regroup with my supplier tonight and tomorrow. That's why I've been avoiding doing too much on camera and in my kitchen, because I've got to order a ton of product and lids and jars to meet the demand for our product online and in our retail stores. And so that's what I'm going to be doing tonight and tomorrow. Once I'm through that and I got the ordering done, I can't do anything. I have to like just wait for everything to arrive, and I'm praying that it does. And then I will start cooking up a storm. We'll do samosas, Tom. We're going to do roti. We're going to do more soups, more stews, lots of great stuff. Samosas, yum yum. Did I say that already? Can't say it enough. All right, on that note, I'm out. I've got to go feed my kids and my dog, Oliver. Cannot forget about him. He's the priority now because I always forget to feed him. And he's such a sweetheart. He never barks about it. He just kind of sits patiently and lays under my desk and waits. All right. And I hope everyone is doing well. We've got each other. So let's keep focusing on that. Okay, folks? Love you lots. Talk to you soon. Bye.